guys, it's Courtney
and Reagan, back with another Monster Jam video, and today we have the brand new 2021 Monster Jam Spin Master discounted style trucks. So these specific ones are replacing the old Monster Jam 170 scales. Let me pull one out and show you guys real quick. So here it is. Here's the 170 scales of old. These have been canceled, unfortunately, and replaced with these, which are not bad at all. These were originally created to fit in smaller markets like CVS, Walgreens, Five Below, but have been replaced because I guess they did not too well on the shelves, and they've been replaced with authentic 164 scale die-cast Spin Masters. That the difference between these and normal 164 scales is that they are discounted in their graphics, lower quality graphics, less graphics, and no accessory, which makes them more affordable in these markets. So let's start off. These are brand spanking new for us.
from Five Below.
So start off, pick your favorite.
El Toro Loco.
Okay, so first one of the unboxing, we have El Toro Loco. And there's not much new on the package on these. Doesn't really have anything on the back of the package.
Well, they already feel like way better than the other ones. But
Oh.
yeah, see, no flames, or the nose ring doesn't really have detail. A little speck on it.
Yes, these are all extremely low quality, and that's like the point. Spin Master has a lot clearer graphics than these now, as you can see if you show off the side of the truck up close. Those actually aren't that bad. Those are actually pretty good. But they do not have any any decals on the top, as you can see. No painted horns on El Toro Loco, and just very basic colors for these brand new trucks.
Yeah, I would be pretty happy with that as a kid.
Oh yeah, I mean, this is still like an accurate version of, and like, it's got substance, unlike the plastic ones. This one feels like you're holding a toy right here. So pretty cool, first addition to this brand new line. Coming up next, I'm gonna do Blue Thunder here, which is like the most different out of all these. Ta-da!
What's that?
It was ta-da, bro. So here is Blue Thunder, probably the most interesting of today, because this one is quite different. Usually they would just give Blue Thunder normal blue rims, you'd expect for a release like this, or even gray rims. But this one has white rims, and I think it really pops on the Blue Thunder casting. I like that a lot. Once again, no detail. Oh, excuse me. We're dropping these things all over the place. No detail on the hood, roof, or tailgate, but you got all the graphics on the side. Let me get that focused up real quick. Blue Thunder, Monster Jam logo, and that's about it. They took a lot off, which, they got to make the cost requirements for these. Really cool. I like this Blue Thunder. Probably my favorite so far.
Alright guys, I'm gonna open Dragon.
There it is.
I got him. So, looks pretty good from the side. The horns don't have any paint on them.
Nor the top of the truck.
Yep, not on the top. But feels heavy, and the side looks great to me. So,
Yeah, that's actually some pretty good graphics they have on these. I thought they would put a lot blurrier graphics, but hey, they did not spare any expenses on that. These things still look pretty nice. And we're going to be finishing off with Megalodon, everybody. Here it comes. So, oh gosh. So here is Megalodon. Typical Megalodon release. We've seen this plenty of times before, but not exactly like this. I like the blue they chose on the rims. It does not really match, but it is a nice blue. And if you look here, you can see the Megalodon decals and the matte finish that they got on it. Very cool. Nothing on top. Megalodon doesn't usually have any details on top anyways, but it's still pretty cool. This one is probably the least different.
Yeah, that one's like probably the best for...
Yeah, the same as the normal release. So here we go. We're going to line them up and pick favorites.
Okay guys, here they all are lined up. And I like the matte on Megalodons. Really a difference between them. I'm going to go first and pick my favorite. I'm going to say Dragon.
Dragon's your favorite of the day? Cool. You got to see Dragon in real life at Digger's Dungeon, remember that?
Yes.
Super cool. Again, these are not meant to be anything special, everybody. These are just meant to be introducing Monster Jam into smaller markets like Five Below, like we said before. So I'm kind of surprised they didn't add a Gravedigger in this mix. I'm surprised they put Blue Thunder instead of Gravedigger. I mean, you think Gravedigger is... They always have a Gravedigger. So that's unusual. But I think my favorite's got to be the Blue Thunder. I've always loved Blue Thunder since I was young. Always one of my favorites. And I think it's really cool. It stands out with those new white rims right there.
Yeah, I like the decal on the side.
And these still aren't bad. Like, these are still, like, I think they're better than 170 scales, even though I did enjoy them. These are definitely the best, next best thing, because they are the same weight. Got that, you know, toy feel when you hold them in your hands instead of those plastic ones. These are still really cool. So, if you enjoyed today's video, everybody, make sure you like it, comment your favorite truck that you see right here, and subscribe for more RC Toy Reviews videos. You can follow us on
Instagram, RC Toy Reviews, TikTok, RC.Toy Reviews.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.
Thank you guys. Bye.